Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Yes.
MashaAllah. So brother, I am very happy because to enter Islam, you require minimum two things. Minimum. Number one, believe that there is one God which you always believe. Number two, you have to believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God, which you always believe. So according to me, you are a Muslim. According to me, you are a Muslim. So you are happy to be a Muslim? Are you happy to be a Muslim?
Okay, right now.
Can you on the microphone? Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right now I think it's time. Inshallah, maybe. Not
Inshallah,
today.
mashallah, you believe in Allah.
Yeah.
Good. One thing, brother, once you believe, you should not delay. I don't know how long I'm going to live. I don't know whether I'll live tomorrow. I may go today in the car, I may have an accident, I may die. So if I do something good, agreed. Because tomorrow if I say I'll do it tomorrow, and today if I die, what will happen? So if you agree, if you believe there's one God, you believe Jesus is the messenger of God, if you believe Prophet Muhammad is the last and final messenger, you're already a Muslim. Correct? Would you like to say it in Arabic?
Pardon?
Would you like to say it in Arabic? In Arabic. Same thing. That there's one God and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger. I can say it and you can repeat it. Okay?
Pardon?
Are you ready to say it in Arabic? That you believe there's one God, Muhammad is messenger.
No problem.
Okay. I'll say it and repeat it.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashalu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa shahadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
Abdur
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasulu.
I bear witness
I bear witness.
that there is no God but Allah
I bear no God but Allah,
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is the messenger
is the messenger
and servant and servant
servant
of Allah.
of Allah.
MashaAllah, you're a Muslim. I would like to thank you. Takbir. Takbir. Takbir.